Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today our video is going to be about decorating for spring. So we're going to liven up the living room a little bit, do some decorating on the front porch as well as back porch, and then tomorrow we're going to get into a little bit more a planting ritual, I guess you would say, because we're going to be transplanting a lot of these plants that are here in the background, as well as planting some new spring flowers. And I have some new spring flowers starting on the back porch, so I'm so excited for those to start blooming. And without further ado, let's get to decorating. For this spring, I still have a lot of spring stuff somewhere around here. I'm not 100% sure where my newer decorations that I bought last year are currently, but I'm going to try to find those because they're mainly for Easter, and Easter is not that far away. I am going to have to make a new wreath, so we'll probably put that together today for the front door if I can find some stuff to secure it. And then I'm thinking this is just going to be right back here on the table, and then those are going to go where they usually go, and then I'm going to put some stuff around my bedroom as well to make it a little bit more cozy. And then we're going to hang this up on the front porch, and then add some more color to the front porch probably tomorrow with planting the rest of the spring flowers, because we won't have time to do that today because we have a couple other projects that we're going to be doing since I can't find a lot of my new spring decor. So I am using my older decor and going to try to make it work. We'll see how it looks. If not, then we'll just take it all down and start over from fresh. So I think I changed my mind. I'm actually going to put that DIY thing that I made for the coffee table. I think I'm going to just put it up here, and then that way I have more flowers on the table with an Easter basket, because I absolutely love this Easter basket. So I'm going to put flowers in that and then build around that centerpiece. Hopefully everything will come together. So I set the tone for spring ambiance, so we're going to go ahead and decorate this area, and hopefully it turns out pretty good.
I remember the days, all those years ago that never fade away, and I remember your face when you hit the ground. I can recall the time and place on a midnight walk through the old streets, trying to turn back the clock to the days of old, back to the days when all the things we knew were made of gold. As the world moves on, time sings a song. In the old neighborhood, as the clock strikes one, the memory lives just as it stood, like a quiet dream. The shadows of that time are cast beneath.
We're really close to being done today. However, it is starting to storm, so I'm going to have to do the front porch tomorrow, and the back porch I'm barely going to be doing anything. So I'm just going to quickly hang up the wreath that I already hung up earlier today, but we got a ton of wind, so I'm going to rehang that. this spring, and then next spring we'll redo and make another one. Still under a freeze warning, but anyways, we're going to get started on the front porch, and we're going to put a little bit of decorations out, not much because obviously flowers freeze. So we're going to wait on that for another couple weeks, probably, I don't know, maybe April 9th we might do this. But as for right now, this is all put up, and then once the flowers start to come out, then I'm going to be making the basket that you originally saw up there. I'm going to put some pansies in there like I did last year, and have those all year round, well, until winter that is. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked all the decorating items that are currently around the house, and hopefully I can find my original decorations, but for now this will work, and it adds a lot of color to the house, that is definitely for sure. So I can't wait to see you in the next video. I hope you all have a wonderful spring. Bye.